G'day everyone, I'm David and this is my Tabletop Standard, and today I got a parcel from Raging Heroes. I'm super keen. I ordered this only a couple of weeks ago. The delivery was pretty fast. I'm pretty impressed with that. When I ordered this, there is a section in the notes where you can write things to them, and I requested that if it was possible to exchange my free gift as the order was over €100, but when it came to the checkout I entered a discount coupon and it put it under the €100. So I felt a bit silly writing that note when I then became invalid for the free hero. But I did read my shipping slip, and they actually have blessed me with a miniature, which I didn't expect because of my mistake with the... But I'm going to open this up and we'll see what we've got inside. I have opened the very top of this just to have a quick glance, but I haven't opened all of it yet. So here we are. Let's have a look. We've got sent a nice coaster. I hate Christmas. There's a little nice Raging Heroes coaster. I guess it's because it's coming toward Christmas time. At the top here we've got all our little bits and pieces. This is I believe they're starting their own game system. Thank you so much for your purchase. That's really nice. They've got how to prime resin and how to clean resin. It's very important. I bought a resin kit from Forge World once, and I had no idea that you had to do special things to prepare your resin kits. So something like this is fantastic because my primer didn't stick properly and all that. I had no idea that there was mold release, so I'd never used resin before. So something like this for people who are just unaware, and it's just fantastic. That's amazing to have. And then we've got our full kits that we got in here. So I got the Void Elf blood vessels. I'm actually going to be using these in conjunction with my with these fellas. Well, not fellas, they're ladies, I guess. These ladies to make my Howling Banshees. Also got the troops version and my normal. So this here, see, this is the gift that they sent me. I must say, I wasn't entirely sure that I was actually going to get a free gift because, like I said, my price dropped just below the €100. I felt silly about that, but I must say that I'm impressed that they decided to send me this anyway. They're absolutely fantastic company, and I would definitely use them again. The details in these models, absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Anyway, what else we got here? We've got slaughter bases. Always handy. These ones will be these are my blood vessels. We've got these are one of the regular troops. These are the guys, the girls with the big swords. I think this is the normal troop squad. Beautiful. Yeah, these are so nice. I must believe that. I think that's all I ordered, so that's all that's in there. Let's move this box out of the way for a second. I'm just packing peanuts. Let's have a quick look in one of these, shall we? get a better look at this. Wow, look at the details in that. That is amazing. You know, this is the quality of the stuff you get from Raging Heroes. I think they are up there in the top competitors of quality, of miniature qualities, that's for sure. Well, this is my first kit from Raging Hero. This is my first purchase from Raging Heroes. I am impressed. Very impressed, in fact. Let's have a quick look at this one. I'll be doing a video later about how to wash resin and prepare your resin miniatures. Before I do that video though, I'm going to have to let these all air for a good... oh, it's just a bit of flash. I'm going to have to let these air for about a week, and then I'll be able to record cleaning them. It's important to let them air, just let the mold release, evaporate out of the plastic, and then we can wash the rest off with some warm soapy water. But man, these are beautiful. Look at that. Anyway, that's about it for this video. It's a bit of a shorter one. Just wanted to unbox my new miniatures from Raging Heroes. I'm looking forward to making them up. So I'm going to be making these into Exodite Elder. So my plan is that I'll be able to use them as Elder or Dark Elder in Kill Team, depending on how I glue them up and equip them. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to get them to represent two different armies with this, by using the same kits. So instead of painting them up all dark, like dark blues and blacks and things like that, like Dark Elder, my plan is to, when I paint them up, like bone and put them on like foresty bases, and hopefully they'll look more like an outlandery sort of Elder team, and then they'll be able to work for both setups. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you so much to Raging Heroes. Their stuff is absolutely incredible. Actually, you know, I'm just going to open up this lady real quick. She's the gift that they sent me. I must say, I'm super impressed. But let's have a look at her. Oh, if I can get her out of this bag. Maybe I pulled her out on a funny angle. There we are. So she's like a squad leader of these ladies. So I wasn't entitled to the free gift of the sister because I didn't make it over the 100 euros because I accidentally, because it's my discount coupon, put it underneath. But they still blessed me with this model. I'm super wrapped. That's beautiful. Thank you so much. Really appreciate that you sent this for me. I really appreciate that. So yeah, thank you so much for Raging Heroes. Customer service is amazing. My brother actually just recently bought some of these too. He sits down at my dining room table and paints with me on Tuesdays. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. If you do like their products, definitely head over to the website. The link will be in the description below. Look forward to seeing some more videos on these particular miniatures. You'll see the washing and preparation of resin, and you'll also see how I paint them up. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.